Just got into a short here at the open. We pulled right up to value area high, then tons of negative delta just started pouring in. We're making a really nice move lower at the moment. Just got into another short. This last candle, tons of negative delta across the board. Was looking for a continued move south. Got my full 10 points on that one. On this chart, I have the MMT key levels, and I also have the MMT 50/50, which is giving me 50% levels. On this chart, I've got the brand new version of the MMT extra levels indicator, which is not quite out yet. I've been souping it up, added session levels, added a current session value area high, value area low, and point of control. And it already has previous session value area highs and lows, as well as some other levels. So after I get the new authorization system rolled out, I'll be making the extra levels indicator available as well. I thought I was going to roll out the new authorization system yesterday. I was working pretty hard, but I'm right in the middle of some more traveling and switching things around, so the videos and everything else could be a little bit scattered for the next couple weeks. I just got into another short as we are pulling up to the 15-minute center, one of my favorite key levels. Had point of control up into the wick, and check out delta, negative across the board on the ES, pretty heavy. You can see these candles were staying red as we were pushing up because the flow stack is painting the candles. In order for the flow stack to go bullish, we need to have positive delta on both instruments and be above the 4-period SMA. So even though we are above the 4-period SMA, the delta was not bullish on both. So when we got this pullback, I went for a short. We just came down to yesterday's close, which was also a special volume level on the key levels. We're getting a very nice bounce up off of this level. I just went for another bounce short off of the 15-minute center. Got 8 or 9 points. It was also New York center, Asia center, and almost the point of control for the current session. You can see the negative delta on the ES continuing to pour in, and now the NQ is catching up. Very strong negative delta on this 1-minute NQ. We just got the little gap fill there between yesterday's close and the current day open. We're getting a little rejection there. We had some strong previous buying in this area. You can see from the delta profile. This is the MMT Greek profile in delta profile mode. I got rid of my daily volume profile from the 60-minute chart. The only thing I really used it for was value area high and value area low, and now I have that in the new extra levels indicator. It's got a built-in volume profile working behind the scenes. Got into another short here at the 20 SMA. 20 SMA is holding. There's also a 50% wicks level right there. Negative delta across the board. On this candle, started coming in even heavier. If you look at the prior 5-minute candles, lots of negative delta. Flow stack candles are bearish. It was not moving as quick as I would like, so I hopped out a little bit early for 6 or 7 points there. So far today, at 100% win rate, all short trades. Average trade duration of around 20 seconds. Would have easily got my 10 points on that last trade. You can see back here, we popped up right off of the Asian low just a little bit ago. See if we try to break lower here. All right, I grabbed a short right as this 1-minute candle is about to close. Look at the negative delta on both the NQ and the ES. Negative 904 on the NQ delta. Negative 1200 on the ES. It's pretty big for a 1-minute candle. We do not have any key levels in the way until this next 50% level from the 4-hour time frame. And we've got the pivot point down here. We did have some previous decent size buying right here where we're at on the delta profile. You see we're getting a little hold up here. Nice little 10-point bounce there to the upside. So this 5-minute candle just closed with a very strong amount of delta on both the NQ and the ES. We did just get a nice little bounce off of this 50% level. From the MMT 50/50 indicator, it's measuring 50% levels from up to 3 different time frames, as well as 50% wicks levels. But we just bounced up over 15 points right off of this 50% level to the tick. Now we're getting a 40-point bounce right off of this 50% level. I've witnessed so many amazing reactions from these 50% levels from the MMT 50/50 indicator. since it first came out a few months ago. I just grabbed a 10-point short there. We got the pullback after this massive candle on the 5-minute with the incredibly strong negative delta. We got the pullback to the 20s. Look at this 1-minute candle, decent top wick, tiny little body. Next 1-minute candle, bunch of negative delta coming in across the board. Got the move lower. Still at 100% profitable. Still all short trades. I might call it a day early. Got a bunch of things to accomplish. Had a great day already so far. There are links to all of the MMT indicators in the description, including the MMT flow stack, the key levels, the 50-50, and many others. I'm getting into my trades with these big chart buttons. This is the MMT market maker, allowing me to trade right off of the chart with big customizable trade buttons. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan at Apex or Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, TradeDay, thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.